If you randomly buy a window AC, then complain it's too loud or doesn't cool past the first 10 feet almost every summer, this is for you. Let's start with noise. The Midea 10,000 BTU U-shaped smart inverter window air conditioner keeps noise to a minimum, and it's because the compressor sits outside your window. The blower stays inside, and your window closes around the middle. This leaves just a 4 to 6 inch gap at the bottom. So if you have mini blinds like me, you'll need to trim them to fit. The installation was honestly a bit of a mini project. You've got a support bracket to assemble, foam insulation to fit, and weather stripping to seal properly. But when done right, it's a one-time task. You also get app control for things like scheduling and adjusting fan speed. Okay, but what if cooling isn't enough? The Ravsun 8000 BTU window air conditioner handles all seasons: cooling, heating, dehumidification, and fan modes in one unit. For the cooling side, many users reported that this unit handles a 90-degree Fahrenheit day with no problem. And for heating, it uses electric resistance heating. This means it's great for a chilly fall evening, but will not be as effective once the temperature outside drops below 40 degrees Fahrenheit. As for smart features, I love that it works with Alexa and Google Assistant. But there is a catch. It only connects to 2.4 GHz networks, while most modern routers and phones default to 5 GHz. So, if you want to avoid all the hassle of connecting, just use the remote. And finally, if you're tired of smart AC setups that won't connect or apps that keep crashing, the Whirlpool 8000 BTU window air conditioner skips all of that. It only uses a remote, and that means no Wi-Fi, no app, or voice assistant headaches. The trade-off for this, however, is that it is noticeably loud. So if you're a light sleeper, this one is not for you. If you can live with the noise, you get 8-way directional louvers, which give you more airflow control than the typical 2-way or 4-way systems, and an auto restart function that brings it back to its previous settings after a power outage, so you will not have to reprogram it.